Gain control of your purchasing with our comprehensive purchases module. Eliminate inefficiencies and optimize your supply chain management. Manage your vendor network effectively. Create and maintain detailed vendor profiles with complete contact information, payment terms, and performance history. Maintain a centralized product catalog. Easily add new products, manage product information, and track inventory levels in real time for informed purchasing decisions. Streamline purchase order creation. Specify vendors, products, quantities, and delivery details electronically, ensuring clear communication and order accuracy. Simplify bill management. Upload and manage incoming vendor bills electronically, linking them to corresponding purchase orders for efficient record-keeping and streamlined payments. Process vendor payments effortlessly. Choose from various payment methods and automate the payment process, ensuring timely payments to your vendors. Maintain accurate vendor accounts. Track and manage vendor credits for returned items, ensuring proper adjustments to outstanding balances and fostering positive supplier relationships. Gain valuable insights with comprehensive inventory reports. Track stock levels, analyze purchase trends, and receive low stock alerts to prevent stockouts and optimize inventory management. Empower informed business decisions. Leverage data-driven insights from reports to identify cost-saving opportunities, optimize purchase quantities, and strengthen vendor relationships.